Hello, good morning all of you. Am I audible? Audio video clear? Please mention. Let me just check. Yes.
Hello.
So welcome all of you. Welcome to this very special lecture on probability, which is a very important topic in GATE exam and many other competitive exams. So most probably I will be completing this session, completing this topic of probability in 2 lectures. Today and tomorrow we'll be discussing the same topic. So hopefully we will be able to finish by this 2 lectures itself. Okay, so all of you invite your friends very fast. By 2 minutes we'll start the session. By that time, please invite your friends. This link you can copy and share it to all your friends so that they can attend it live or record it as per their wish. So the previous lectures are available in the playlist. You can check the description of this video for more free resources and links of the Telegram channel where we upload the study materials. All the study materials till yesterday I have posted already in the Telegram channel of GATE. There are multiple Telegram channels. GATE related Telegram channel, that is where I post those study materials. Plus, please check that. Some people were asking in the comments where to find it. In the description of this video, you can get the details of it. And once again, all these stream 29 subjects, general aptitude section is common. So please invite all your friends who are preparing for any of these engineering streams or any of these pure science streams. The GATE general aptitude part is same. So all of you take an effort to invite more people. We need bigger crowd in this course. It's a 50 lecture course where we are trying to cover the entire syllabus of general aptitude. So for the new people, this is the bio of me and these are the details of the general Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. GATE related Telegram channel link is given in the description of this video. And these are the books I have written for general aptitude section, and this is currently the bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. And this is the schedule of this course. We have already completed the first 4 lectures and today we are discussing probability part 1. Okay, so probability, let's start. Hopefully more people will join in between. Prakhar, link you need to check in the Telegram channel. Otherwise, subscribe this channel and then you will get notified. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon, then you will be getting notified. So yeah, GATE Telegram channel link is tagged in the put in the chat now. You can click on it and enroll for it. Okay, so let us start. Probability, very fast I will discuss the theory of probability. Probability ka basic definition, the classical definition of probability is successful outcome number divided by total possible outcome, or simply speaking required number divided by total number. Total क्या possible है उसका number, उसमें से हमें क्या चाहिए उसका number, वो required number divided by total number का ratio है probability. So that is the idea. So more about it I will tell you. For example, I will take an example. Probability just means chance. If you feel that this chapter is very difficult, yeah, you can mention what is your perspective about probability. Is it a difficult chapter for you, or a simple chapter, or a moderate chapter? What is your opinion? You can mention in the chat. So probability for different things you can think about, right? For example, when you are rolling a dice you know na, 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be there. So 6 sides will be there. What is the probability of getting an even number? So dice hai to 6 sides hai na, 1 2 3 4 5 6 are the 6 sides. So इसमें even numbers are 2 4 6 out of total 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means required number will be 3, total number will be 6. So 3 out of 6, 1 by 2 is the answer. So that is the classical definition of probability. Probability of an event is required number by total number. Even means what we are searching the probability of. यहाँ पे even event of occurring even number है. Different situation में different events होगा ना. For example, if you are tossing a coin, head occur करना, tail occur करना, दो events है. What is the probability of getting a head? Head is just one of the two possibilities ना. Head is one of the two possibilities. So head occur करने का chance 1 out of 2 है. क्योंकि 1 possibility of head out of total 2 possibility. Required number by total outcome. Are you all understanding? Okay, it is a little confusing for some of you. What the chapter na? Difficult, moderate, easy. Okay. Different perspective na? Yes, साक्षी, all lectures का PDF Telegram channel में upload किया है और वो group में भी check कर सकता है. Check the media section, then you will get, or check the previous post. Okay, so yeah, those people who feel probability is a difficult chapter, by today and tomorrow's lecture, I hope I can change your perspective that this is a chapter that can be made easy if you practice well or if you use the right approach. Okay, so anyway, so that is required outcome by total outcome. लेकिन ये probability का values है ना, values 0 और 1 के बीच में होगा always, because probability is expressed out of 1 only. Because look at this, 1 by 2 or 1 by, for example, when you roll a coin, what is the roll a dice, what is the probability of getting the side 5? 5 is only 1 out of 6 sides, so 1 by 6. Whether it is 1 by 6, 1 by 2 or any fraction that is between 0 to 1 na? So probability of an event can maximum be 1, minimum be 0. So probability ka range is 0 to 1. And if probability of something is 0, that is called impossible event. Impossible event. Impossible means that is not possible to happen. For example, when you roll a dice, the probability of getting the number 7, that is an impossible event because number 7 is not there in the dice. So what is the chance of getting 7? Not possible. Not possible means 0. Now what is probability 1 means? Probability 1 means that is confirmed, sure event, 100% sure event. So sure event means that will definitely happen. For example, what is the probability of getting a number less than 7 when you roll a dice? एक डाइस रोल करके 7 से कम मिलने का चांस, नंबर मिलने का चांस कितना है? डेफिनेटली 1 होगा ना, बिकॉज ऑल नंबर्स आर लेस देन 7. So 6 numbers, all 6 out of 6 is less than 7. So definitely 6 by 6 or 1 is the probability. That is called a sure event. This is an impossible event, this is a sure event. I hope all of you understood it. What is impossible event, what is sure event. And if probability of something is 1 by 2, that is equally likely. Equally likely. For example, tossing a coin, probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Probability of getting tail is also 1 by 2. So that means that have an even chance, we can say. 1 by 2 does not mean equally likely all the case, but in the case of tossing a coin, a single coin, a fair coin, it is 1 by 2 itself, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But if probability of something is 1 by 2, that is having an even chance. That means 50% chance for winning, 50% chance for losing. And keep that in mind. Now you can connect that fractions into percentages, na? Because last 2-3 classes we have done that a lot. Those of you haven't attended those sessions, please check out those recording. The playlist is available in the description or in this channel. So what I am saying is, हर fraction का एक percentage होता है ना. So probability को simplify करने के लिए ये probability को percentage में convert कर सकता है. Where this 1 is nothing but 100%. The 0 is nothing but 0% itself. Half is what? 50%. So if probability of something is 1 by 3, that will be 33.33%. Because when you see it in percentage terms, that will make more sense to us. You can connect it to real life examples more. When I taught you percentages, fraction and ratio proportion class, I told you that the things you are learning there will be applicable in many chapters, even in probability chapter a lot. All these are same. परसेंटेज 0 to 100 में एक्सप्रेस करेगा, यहाँ पे 0 to 1 में एक्सप्रेस करेगा, सेम थिंग. If you want, you can express in 0 to 100 also for a probability question. But if options are in terms of fraction, you need answer in fraction. Na? That is the thing. If options are demanding answer in percentage, you can answer in percentage. That's it. I hope that much is clear. Then, just a minute. Okay, if that much is clear, yeah, these basic definitions, if you want, you can keep it. What is a sample space? Sample space means what all can occur. For example, when you roll a dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ऐसा आ सकता है ना? So this is called sample space. Each of these events are called sample points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when you are tossing a coin, there are only 2 sample points, head and tail. And events can be one or more of these sample points. For example, if it is even number 2, 3, 4, all these 3 sample points are needed. If it is odd number, 1, 3, 5 are needed. Numbers less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 are needed. So one or more sample points will form an event. Again, that are just to make you aware of the terms I am telling. So itna clear hai na? All of you are clear? Please mention in the chat. So then events itself, there are many types of events that you may encounter. Again, uska naam pata nahi hai to bhi chalega, but the concept should be clear. Intersection event can be there. For example, rolling dice example itself I will take. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Na? If I am saying what is the probability of the number you are getting is less than 3 and an odd and an even number, sorry, less than 4 and an even number. Less than 4 and even number means less than 4 is an event, less than 4 is an event, and even number is another event. Intersection means both these things together should happen. 4 से कम भी होना चाहिए, even भी होना चाहिए. 4 से कम क्या क्या है? 1, 2, 3 are the possibilities. Even number क्या क्या है? 2, 4, 6. ये दोनों का intersection क्या होगा? Intersection will be only 2. So that is 2 out of total 6, sorry, not 2. 2 is only one of the 6 cases. Na? So 1 out of 6 will be the answer. So that is an example of an intersection event, or simply speaking, and means multiplication. Yeah, I will come to that when we discuss about laws of multiplication and addition. So that is intersection event. Then comes union event. Union event simply means or. For example, if I am saying the same previous question, instead of and, if it is or. When you roll a dice, what is the probability that you will get a number less than 4 or even number? Less than 4 or even number मतलब क्या क्या possible है? Required outcome क्या क्या है? ऊपर probability less than 3. Less than 3 we are defining it, denim. I am giving an example for that, that's all. So less than 4 or even means what? Less than 4 is 1, 2, 3. Na? I am telling about the scenario of rolling dice only. This is the sample space initially. Less than 4 or even number means less than 4 is 1, 2, 3. Even number is 2, 4, 6. Or means ये सारा elements भी चाहिए, ये सारा elements भी चाहिए. एक common element है तो वो भी चाहिए. Like 1, 2, 3 and 2 already there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So the required outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Total मतलब 5 outcomes है. Out of total 6 outcomes. Yeah, when you roll a dice, always 6 outcomes come for a normal dice. Are you all understanding? Less than or even के लिए तो फिर 6 total sample किए. क्योंकि when you roll a dice, whatever be the case, all 6 will happen ना. उसमें से हमें क्या चाहिए? Required outcome by total outcome. Those of you have doubt, listen very carefully. Required outcome by total outcome. Yet total outcome will always be same for that particular thing. For example, if it is rolling dice, total outcome is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, unless question says it is a special dice with not 6 sides. It is having 12 sides. Then only it will change. Total outcome always 6 होगा. Because when you roll a dice, it is not like if the question is asked like that, the dice property will change. No. Dice always have 6 outcomes. एक single throw है तो, double throw है तो 6 into 6, 36 outcomes होगा. और उसमें से required outcome according to the question it will change. I am just telling an example of a union event. When you see questions, you will get more clarity. Don't worry. Har Mahadev, I just mentioned about what is intersection event, what is union event. When we discuss questions in detail, you will get more clarity. Don't worry. So, and uska probability find karne ke liye, probability of A union B, probability of A intersection B. That is what I have shown you now. And if they are mutually exclusive, that is what I want to define now. What is mutually exclusive and independent events? That also we will discuss. First, I am just giving you some terminologies, giving you some basic concepts. When we discuss questions only, you will understand the implications or understand the proper meaning of these things. So anyway, what is independent and dependent event? I will give you an example. For example, if there is a box that is containing 3 red ball and 3 blue ball, 3 red ball and 3 blue ball, and you can, for example, if I am taking 2 balls one at a time, 1 ball I am taking, after that 1 more ball I am taking. I can take this in 2 ways. One way is I can take the ball and I can keep it with me and then take the second ball. That means I am not putting it back or I am not replacing it. With the replacement, without replacement. Question may be with the replacement, without replacement, dono ka situation aa sakta hai. With the replacement means you are replacing the ball you have taken. That means the box was just like it was initially. Initially कैसा situation था? Same situation है first ball pick करने के बाद भी. मतलब that is independent. That is totally, I am telling an example of one independent event. There are different ways independency can come. So here independent, it is independent because the box is always having 6 balls, which is 3 blue and 3 red. Lekin if one ball is picked up and you are not replacing it, you are not putting it back, that is a dependent event. Because what ball you have taken out, based on that, the probability of the second event will change. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. This is very important. When I discuss questions, you will get more clarity, but did you understand the basic idea? Independent and dependent. Independent and not dependent. Not dependent means dependent. For example, what is the probability of getting red ball and red ball when you take 2 ball? First case with the replacement case. With the replacement case है तो इसमें 3 red balls है, total 6 balls में. So required number 3 है, total number 6 है. So 3 by 6 होगा ना. First ball red होने का chance. Required number by total number से 3 by 6 होगा. And you are picking up the ball and putting it back into the box. So the box is still having 3 red balls out of 6 balls. So second ball red मिलने का chance भी 3 by 6 है. Are you all understanding 3 by 6 how? Now ये दोनों एक साथ होने का chance कितना है? ये दोनों एक साथ होने का chance कितना है? That is called fundamental principle of counting. That is something you should be very clear about. If one thing can be done in m ways, another thing can be done in n ways, both the things together can be done in m into n ways. That can also be called as multiplication rule. Law of multiplication. Different names are there. Whatever name you give it, but you should understand the idea properly. That's all. First red ball can be taken in 1 by 3 by 6 ways. Second red ball can be taken in 3 by 6 ways. Means both the thing together can be done in 3 by 6 into 3 by 6 ways. Or simply speaking, and means multiplication. And means multiplication. All of you are understanding? So that means here it will be 3 by 6 into 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4 will be the probability if it is with the replacement. Now the same question if it is without replacement. Without replacement means you are taking a red ball. What is the probability of getting 2 red balls? If you are picking 2 balls one at a time, that is a question. If it is without replacement, the ball you pick that should be red. Uska probability 3 out of 6 hai, just like I told you before. 3 red balls hai na, total 6 balls mein. So red ball milne ka chance 3 out of 6 hai. Required number by total number. Now you are not putting the ball back into the box. You are keeping the ball with you. मतलब अभी बॉक्स में 1 रेड बॉल कम है ना. मोरओवर अभी बॉक्स में 1 बॉल कम है. मतलब अभी बॉक्स में सिर्फ 5 बॉल्स है, उसमें से सिर्फ 2 बॉल्स रेड है. Now the box have only 5 balls and that in that 1 red ball is missing, so only 2 red balls are there. So probability of getting red ball in the second take will be 2 out of 5. अभी ये दोनों एक साथ होने का चांस 3/6 into 2/5 है ना. That is 1/2 into 2/5, that is 1/5 only. Are you all understanding? And that is called dependent event. Dependent event. So independent, dependent, I hope it is clear. In question also, if it is mentioned with the replacement, accordingly you should do. If it is mentioned without replacement, accordingly you should do. If it is not mentioned anything, that means it is without replacement itself, because replacement is an extra action. If nothing mentioned means that action is not done. When doing questions, you will get more clarity. Okay, so that is independent, mutually exclusive. What it is, I will come back. Otherwise, now you may be confused. So I will give you more clarity with gate PYQs. I will explain some of the concept I already explained. I will give you more clarity with this question first. This is a GATE 2018 problem. I am focusing on theory and more questions to be discussed also. So please try the question and then we will discuss more theory. Yeah, I will keep the timer also so that you get a proper idea how much time you are taking. Okay, timer running. Hold your answers, post your answer, all of you. Yeah, what is unbiased, I will tell you. Other keywords that you have doubt also will be clarified along with the question, don't worry. Okay, some of you already got the answers. Very good. Read question properly before answering. Yes, Anubhuti. Okay, so 2 minutes over. So an unbiased coin is tossed 6 times. So what is unbiased? Unbiased means not biased towards any side, or a normal coin. Normal coin. Normal coin means head or tail दोनों का even chance है. Even chance है मतलब 50% 50%, half chance है. हेड ओकर करने का चांस हाफ होना चाहिए, टेल ओकर करने का चांस भी हाफ होना चाहिए. इफ इट इज बायस्ड, हेड का चांस टेल से ज्यादा होगा या टेल का चांस हेड से ज्यादा होगा. इज नॉट if it is biased towards a side. So normal coin should be an unbiased coin. Unbiased coin means head or tail का equal chance है. Fair also means the same. Fair coin also means the same. Okay, so in that case, what is mentioned? An unbiased coin is tossed 6 times in a row. 6 times in a row means 6 things can happen. Sorry, 6 things will happen, like head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, accordingly. 6 things. Just a minute. Some problem with the slides. Okay, fine now. So that means when you toss it 6 times, it can be head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, whatever combination they want. So it is told that the first 6 times, this is the occurrence. Head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Now 4 different such trials are done. So this is the first trial of 6 times. This is a second trial of 6 times. Tail, tail, head, 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 tail. And this is the third trial of 6 times. Head, tail, tail, head, head, tail. And this is the fourth trial of 6 times. But unfortunately, हमें last 2 trials में क्या मिला वो पता नहीं है. That is what we need to find. Are you all understanding? If head stands for head and T stands for tail, the following are the observation from the 4 trials. Which statement describing the last 2 coin tosses of the 4th trial, that means these two coin tosses of the 4th trial, has the highest probability? Probability, I told you, chance. Replace the word probability by chance if you feel that this chapter is very difficult. That itself will help you to understand the meaning properly if you are fearing this chapter. So here actually this is a unbiased coin. Unbiased coin means, as from the question itself we can say that it is independent only. Independent means the result that will occur here will not depend on the previous events. In that ball picking case, it was dependent when it was from the 6 outcomes, one of the outcome you have taken out and you have been put it back. इसलिए वो dependent हो गया. लेकिन यहाँ पे डिपेंडेंट होना, एक टॉस से डिपेंडेंट नहीं है दूसरा टॉस. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट प्रॉपरली? इसके पहले 4 ऑकरेंस में क्या हुआ, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट दीज 2 ऑकरेंस विल बी व्हाट. एंड इसके पहले 3 ट्रायल्स हुआ ना, वो भी मैटर नहीं करेगा. सो इन इफेक्ट ऑल दीज आर इररिलेवेंट डेटा टू फाइंड द फाइनल आंसर. This gate question, it is checking whether you know that an unbiased coin toss is independent of the previous toss. Yeah, the problem is we have understood it wrong in our childhood. I remember the same. When we used to toss coins, we think that last time head occurred, then this time it is natural to have tail to occur, or there is a higher chance. Is it so that last time head it will be tail? Then you are saying like the coin is memorizing the result of the previous outcome, previous throw, previous toss. ऐसा नहीं है ना. ऐसा है तो बहुत ही simple है ना. एक cricket tournament है तो if Rohit is calling heads last time and losing it, next time he should call tail so that he will win for sure. No, it is not like that na. So definitely that is totally independent. Then why we say that head का चांस आधा होना चाहिए? मतलब ये 6 ऑकरेंस में 3 बार हेड होना चाहिए, 3 बार टेल होना चाहिए ना. ऐसा है? ऐसा भी नहीं है. That is another thing you should know. It is not like 4 ऑकरेंस में 2 हेड 2 टेल डेफिनेटली होगा. जरूरी नहीं है. But when the number of tosses increases, like 1 crore tosses है तो, for example 1 crore tosses है तो उसमें 50 लाख के आसपास, नियर टू 50 लाख हेड मिलने का चांसेस है. नियर टू 50 लाख. अगेन दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट like it will be 50 lakh itself exactly. No, not necessary at all. When the number of trials increase, that may tend to that probability more. That only we can say. It is not like for 6 occurrence or 10 occurrence or 20 occurrence you will get half head, half tail. Not like that. And whether you are thinking so or not, that is why they have put this dummy data here. फर्स्ट 3 ट्रायल का डेटा और 4th ट्रायल में 4 टॉसेस का डेटा, वो सब मैटर नहीं करेगा. ये 2 फ्रेश टॉसेस है. वो फ्रेश टॉसेस में क्या क्या मिल सकता है? दोनों हेड मिल सकता है, फर्स्ट हेड सेकंड टेल मिल सकता है, फर्स्ट टेल सेकंड हेड मिल सकता है, दोनों टेल भी मिल सकता है. ये 4 occurrence के अलावा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता ना. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट? दीज आर द ओनली फॉर रियलिटीज पॉसिबल. दैट मीन्स 4 रियलिटी मतलब ये 4 रियलिटी मिला के टोटल 1 प्रोबेबिलिटी मिलना चाहिए. दैट इज वन थिंग यू शुड नो. That probability of all events in a sample space added, you should get total probability 1 only. All events in a sample space. That means, for example, tossing a coin. Head मिलने का chance 1/2, tail मिलने का chance 1/2, दोनों ऐड किया तो 1 मिलना ही चाहिए. Throwing a dice. साइड 1 मिलने का चांस 1/6, साइड 2 मिलने का चांस 1/6, साइड 3 का 1/6 अप टू साइड 6 का 1/6 है. तो वो 1/6 6 बार ऐड किया तो एक्जैक्टली 1 मिलेगा. सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो द क्वेश्चन वी वर डिस्कसिंग ऑल्सो, all outcomes when you are tossing 2 coins, these are the 4 outcomes possible. वो 4 outcomes का probabilities ऐड किया तो total probability 1 मिलना चाहिए. Or in other words, those of you remember percentage fraction connection we discussed, you can say this is 25% chance. 1/4 is 25% na. This is 25% chance. This is 25% chance. This is 25% chance. ये चारों ऐड किया तो 100% chance मिलना चाहिए. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. मतलब ऐसा 4 possibilities है. Head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head. इसमें से options are asking which of this possibility have higher chance. First option is saying 2 tails. 2 tails means second reality. That is 25% chance only. Are you understanding? Second option is 1 head and 1 tail. 1 head and 1 tail, please remember, please understand carefully. 1 head and 1 tail means head and tail is possible. Tail and head is also possible. The order is not mentioned. Order is not mentioned means डेफिनेटली हेड टेल भी ओके है, टेल हेड भी ओके है. उसका यूनियन चाहिए हमें. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? हेड टेल यूनियन टेल हेड. और वी कैन से इसका 25%, इसका 25% मिला के 50% चांस होगा. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? लेकिन थर्ड ऑप्शन दे रहा है 2 heads will occur. 2 heads मीन्स ये पॉसिबिलिटी, उसका तो 25% है चांस. And 1 head will be followed by 1 tail. 1 head followed by 1 tail means the order is mentioned there properly. Head followed by tail. So HT only. That is 25%. Are you all understanding what I am saying? So among the 4 options, first option का chances 25%. इसका भी 25%, इसका भी 25%. लेकिन second option का chance 50% है या half है. मतलब that is the highest possibility na. Are you all understanding? So that order and all is very important. Exactly, Har Mahadev. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. So that is an example of independent event, and unbiased means what you understood and how to analyze. I hope you understood. Then I will show you another gate question, 2017 problem, super fast. Try it. Yeah, I'll give the timer. Try it and post your answer, all of you. Very good. Some of you already got it. Okay, in life science also you people learn this as theory, but just logical understanding is enough. A couple has two children, probability that both children are boys, but there is a condition given, na? If the older one is boy, so older one is already boy, you cannot change that reality. Now this, we need to get both children boys means second one should be a boy for that to happen, na? First one we cannot change now anyway. First one is already a boy, so second one भी boy होना चाहिए, दोनों children boys होने के लिए. और ये first one boy होने का chance 1 है because that already happened. Probability of something already happened is always 1 na, because that reality we cannot change unless we in the future understand that time traveling is possible like the movies show us, and we can go back in time and change everything in the past, and that will affect the future and future will be changed. Unless that is happening, definitely first one is boy means that reality or chance of that is 100%, that is a sure event. अभी second one boy होना उसका chance सिर्फ 1/2 है ना, because probability of a boy is 1 out of 2. Boy girl, out of it boy chance will be 1 out of total 2 possibility boy girl. So 1/2 will be the chance of that. 1 into 1/2, 1/2 will be the final answer. Yeah, you don't have to write 1 into 1/2. You can directly say first one boy, that is already fixed. Second one being boy, it is 1 out of 2 chance only, क्योंकि boy और girl उसमें से एक chance है boy. The required number 1 out of total possibility 2. So 1/2 is the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Or in other words, the question is literally asking, what is the probability that a random child is a boy? That will be 1/2. So if that is clear, so I hope now you people are getting more concept cleared. What I have told in the beginning of the class, probability ka basic definition, required outcome by total outcome, and how to combine events, that you need to practice more. I will give you more practice before that. Okay, another thing I want to tell you is the importance of complement event. Okay, before that we will practice 1 or 2 more questions. Try this. Yes, biotechy. If time travel happens, many of the questions we discuss in many chapters will be wrong. Many chapters will be different. We have to interpret it differently. That is the main thing. Starting the poll timer also. Post your answer. Exactly, Mantasha. Happy to know. And those of you are watching this session live or recorded, take an effort to hit the like button if you feel this session is useful. That will help a lot for this channel to grow and for this video to reach to more people, and that will help me to know whether you people are interested in this course, so that I can provide more future courses like this through the free platform. Very good. Okay. So here, instead of one dice, two dice are thrown, right? Two identical cube-shaped dice, each with faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are rolled simultaneously. Probability that even number is rolled out on each dice. So here comes the importance of combining events. In previous question also, one of the question it was there. So two dice are thrown simultaneously. You should get even number on both the dice, like 2 on both the sides, or 2 and 4, 2, 4 and 2. Likewise, even number you need to get. So these kinds of question or generally probability question tough event है तो event definition थोड़ा complicated है तो उसको simplify करना है using and or. That is what you need to know. Using and or means even number on each dice means even number on dice 1, even on dice 1, D1 I am calling dice 1, and on both means and not or. Even number on dice 2 also. And means multiplication, fundamental principle of counting. If one thing can be done in m ways and second thing in n ways, both the thing together can be done in m into n ways. So even and even means this and means multiplication. So what is the probability of getting? Even on first dice will be 3 out of 6 because even numbers are 3 out of 6, or directly 1 out of 2. Even and odd are equally likely. So half we can say. That is up to you which way you interpret. Second even is not depending upon first one being even. Na? They are independent events only. They are not dependent at all. So 3 by 6 into 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4 itself is the answer. How many of you understood 1 by 4 is the answer? Bhavik, when to multiply, when to add, very simple. And means multiplication. Even definition में and means simultaneously occurring. Even occur करना है, same time यहाँ पे भी even occur करना है. Or means addition. Or means यहाँ पे even और यहाँ पे even. मतलब इसमें even वाला chance भी चाहिए, इसमें even वाला chance भी, दोनों add कर सकता है. दोनों एक साथ होना जरूरी नहीं है. If the question was on or. So with more examples I will show you examples of that. And if you not do this way using and or splitting, if you are not using, you have to list out all 36 possibility. उसमें से even वाला possibility का list भी बना सकता है. But that is time consuming. Unless there is no other way, don't do that. 2 4 2 4 2 6 valid है. 4 2 4 4 4 6 valid है. 6 2 6 4 6 6 भी valid है. That means total 3 3 3 9 out of total 36. That is also 1 by 4. That is another way which will lead to the same answer. But that is time consuming. That is why we don't have to do that way. As I told, unless there is another better way, unless there is no other better way, you don't have to do this way. Exactly, Ayushi. Denim, please specify what is the doubt. Those of you have doubt, please specify. बहुत ही सिंपल था. फर्स्ट डाइस में भी इवन चाहिए, सेकंड डाइस में भी इवन चाहिए ना. फर्स्ट डाइस में इवन नंबर मींस इवन नंबर्स आर 2 4 6 among 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 3 outcomes required out of total 6 outcomes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 are 6 outcomes ना. So 3 out of 6. सेकंड डाइस में भी इवन मिलने का चांस सेम 3 by 6 है ना. ये दोनों एक साथ होने का चांस 3 by 6 into 3 by 6. फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ काउंटिंग, मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल. एंड मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. साइमल्टेनियसली चाहिए ना दोनों में इवन. अभी क्लियर है डेनिम? एंड दोस ऑफ योर डाउट प्लीज मेंशन. So if that is clear, let's see one more dice question. Okay, those of your doubt, please check out this. This is an explanation. Again, don't think that dice problem is like one type of problem. Yeah, that is a type that was asked multiple times. But understand the logic of probability with the help of dice problem. That is why I am showing you this question. Not to say that dice problem अगला एग्जाम में होगा. Dice problem होगा या ना होगा. You should understand how to see a question, how to see the event, how to split the event. Those kinds of techniques you are learning here. Okay, so If that is clear, let's see one more question similar to this asked in another GATE exam. Try this GATE 2017 problem, all of you. Yes, athletic beats. This exam also questions were there. Thank you so much, Montasha, for the good words. Yes, not same question, athletic beats, but there was a question, that is true. Okay, so I'll explain. Here it is not that obvious as the previous question, because previous question में even वो तो half है, easy था, लेकिन यहाँ पे you need to analyze it little more in deep. The probability that the product of the numbers appearing on the top faces of the dice is a perfect square. मतलब top faces means that is what we call as the outcome of a dice, what you see on the top face normally. So उसका product perfect square होना चाहिए. ये टॉप फेस में 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है, 5 आ सकता है, 6 आ सकता है. फर्स्ट डाइस में भी, सेकंड डाइस में भी 1 2 3 4 5 6 एनी कैन बी ऑब्टेन ना. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? अभी वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होने के लिए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, हाँ, ये प्रोडक्ट का मैक्सिमम पॉसिबिलिटी 6 into 6 36 है ना. यहाँ पे 6 मिलना, यहाँ पे 6 मिलना, मतलब 1 to 36 में क्या क्या परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स है. 1 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, 4 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, 9 एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, 4 स्क्वायर 16 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, 25 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, एंड 36 भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. Some of you may do that 6 out of total 36. That is wrong, because 1 obtain करने का क्या क्या तरीका है. फर्स्ट डाइस में 1 मिलना, सेकेंड डाइस में 1 मिलना, that is a possibility. 4 obtain करने का, this is very important. 2 is a possibility. Similarly, 1 into 4 is also 4. 4 into 1 is also 4. These all are distinct possibilities ना. 1 1 reverse करके 1 1 लिखा तो that is not a different possibility. लेकिन 1 4 4 1 different है. और 4 का square root into square root is not the only way there. 1 into 4, 4 into 1 भी 4 देगा. Are you understanding? I think this is what some of you missed. And 9 can be obtained 3 into 3. हाँ, all of them have this for sure. 25 have 5 into 5 and 36 have 6 into 6. But is there anything extra 9 obtain करने का और कुछ way है like this? No. 16 obtain करने का 8 into 2 है, but 8 is not on the dice. 25 no. 36 there is no other way. So these are the total 8 ways possible. 6 ways by square root into square root and 2 extra ways. So total outcome, sorry, required outcome by total outcome में required outcome 8 है, out of total 36 outcome. Why 36 outcome? First die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 outcomes. Second die is 6 outcomes. So 6 into 6, 36 total outcomes are there. And if you want to see the 36 outcomes, these are the 36 outcomes. 1, 1, 1, 2 up to 6, 6. ये सब possible है ना, दो डाइस थ्रो किया तो इसमें से हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? Perfect square मिलने वाला. All these diagonal elements are needed, but that is not enough. 1 into 4, 4 into 1 also are needed. So that is what you need to be careful. 8 by 36 is the answer. 8 by 36, हाँ 8 by 36 cancel किया तो 2 by 9 मिलेगा. 2 by 9. 2 by 9, that is option B. How many of you understood this? And those of you have doubt, please specify where is the doubt. Previous question का idea extend किया यहाँ पे. In the Telegram channel and group, I will try to post more homework questions of dice problem and other problem. GATE 2022 में एक very interesting dice problem पूछा था. Can you all try to do this? Very good question this is. You have to read the question very carefully to answer it. Simple only, but they have added a small twist in the question.
From laptop domain 5 TB.
You're welcome, Prakhar. Thank you for the good words. Those of you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel so that you will get notification of all the upcoming classes. If you are clicking on the bell icon to receive the notification, you will get notifications along with subscribing the channel. So yeah, this question, what is the twist in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 का जगह QRST है, बाकी सब same है. But what is the condition? That also you should be clearly understanding. There are two identical dice with a single letter on each of the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 का जगह QRSTUV है, letters on the face. One on each of the face. Any of the 6 outcomes are equally likely. Just like normal dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are equally likely. Here also QRSTUV are equally likely. Two dice are thrown once independently at random. Yeah, if it is not mentioned independently also, normally it is independent only. So what is the probability that the outcomes on the dice were composed only of any combination of the following possible outcomes Q, U and V? It is just like that even number case, na? I will show you that. So Q, U, V means total outcome already 36, that is for sure, na? Either you can list it out like this, Q, U, V ही होना चाहिए, repetition हो सकता है, Q and Q हो सकता है, Q and U हो सकता है, Q and V हो सकता है, मतलब Q on the first dice ऐसा 3 possibility. Similarly, U on the first dice ऐसा 3 possibility, U, Q, U, 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 V. Similarly, V on the first dice ऐसा 3 possibility, V, Q, V, U, V, V. So total possibilities are 9. Are you all understanding? I mean required possibilities. The required outcome by total outcome will be 9 by 36, 1 by 4. Are you all understanding? Please respond. Is that clear or not? Or instead of listing it out, you can just think about thinking. Q say 3 possibilities. You say 3 possibility. We say 3 possibility. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 possibility out of total 36. So 9 by 36, 1 by 4 is the simplification you are getting. Latest GATE exam problem. This was 2022 GATE exam problem. So I think that is clear, all of you. So yeah, this question also you can try. Instead of dice, it is numbers. Number related probability questions can also be asked. Now tomorrow I will discuss more about other types of probability, like multiple events more coming, like at least one, at most one. That you need to learn a lot. For that, basic set theory understanding is needed. Thus if you don't have that, don't worry, tomorrow I will teach you in detail. VU and UV are not same, Bhavik. VU is V on first dice, U on second dice. UV is U on first dice and V on second dice. Think about playing Ludo. Getting a 5 and then getting 6, getting a 6 and then getting 5. The outcomes are different, na? It's the same number combo. Okay, biotechy. So in some cases ABBA means the same, but in the dice problem case it is definitely different. I think for the time sake we can conclude for today, as we are already continuing this, because there are many more questions to discuss. I will put some homework questions in the Telegram channel and Telegram group. And one more thing, full length courses in Unacademy platform also, those of you want to, especially if you are CSIR or GATE aspirants, my CSIR and GATE full length courses are also available in Unacademy platform. Unacademy at 8:30 AM a complete course for CSIR-NET. At 2 PM a course which is a practice course for GATE and CSIR is also being conducted. And if you are taking plus subscription today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there is a 20% discount if you are using the referral code CC10. So those of you want to be part of the plus platform and access my full length courses there also, you are welcome to. So if there is any other doubt, you can ask. So daily at 11 AM these free classes are running. Please share this video to maximum people, all of you. That is a gentle request to all of you. If you feel this class is useful and if you want this class to long for more months, more days, please invite more of your friends. That is needed. We expect a bigger crowd daily increase in number of students we expect. So please take an effort for that. All of you, this is a complete course. My plan is to complete, unless there is any health reasons, I will try my maximum to complete all topics of GATE General Aptitude, non-verbal and verbal. So for that, it will be a very big motivation if you people can bring a bigger crowd, because for the channel also that will be very good, because you can see that this is not part of an institute or part of a big coaching center. It is like a gentle initiative I am running along with my class in other platforms. I want to give free classes through my platform also, so that if this free platform is going well, we can continue more free courses of different competitive exams. Like if you want to learn Vedic maths, I will give you some Vedic math classes, or a full-length course for Vedic maths is a plan after this course, looking at the success of this course. So try to make this course as much big as possible by inviting bigger crowd. That is very needed. So all of you take an effort to invite more of your friends, to share this video to maximum people, to like this video, comment this video. That will help a lot, because that is how YouTube videos work. When we reach a bigger crowd, we need to have a bigger interaction in the class. It is a vicious cycle, and the class will be interesting if more people are coming, and if more people are coming, the class will be interesting for sure. So please take that effort, all of you. This is a gentle request to all of you. So yes, Punita, daily at this time. Yeah, to be frank, the main problem I am facing, I will tell you. Daily I have now 6 hours of class. So managing this class is little difficult, but I am somehow trying to continue as much as possible, because there are some health issues that my throat will not adjust all the days. Some days my throat is after 4 hours, 5 hours, it says that stop class, that it cannot continue. So that kind of things are there, and other that is it. So please make sure your friends are invited to the upcoming classes. Friends means you can invite it from any streams, especially your B.Tech aspirant friends. If you know, please try to ask them to attend this if they are interested in GATE General Aptitude. If you feel that this is useful, or it is, you are getting concept clearance, and definitely it is useful for all GATE aspirants, whether it is electrical engineering, ECE, or computer science engineering, or any GATE aspirant preparing for any B.Tech stream or pure science stream. GATE General Aptitude is common for all. So I think let's conclude for today. Yes, Manya, that is a thing. So let us see. Most probably I will somehow manage the health issues or throat issues somehow. Yeah, you people also can help me out by explaining your perspectives in the live chat, so that others can read that also and learn better. Let us make it like a more interactive class. And more interactive class, if more people are there, more people will be there for responding. So that is a thing. So please invite more of your friends. That is my gentle request. So tomorrow, probability part 2. Tomorrow 11 AM. As per the schedule, we are continuing. This week, maybe Friday, I will be taking an off. Instead of Friday, I will take the class on Saturday. That is the plan. We'll update you tomorrow. Anyway, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, class will be there. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care. All of you have a good day. See you all in the next class. Bye-bye.